Scotland is set for a 100-hour deep freeze as snow plunges all but one area into winter. Long-range predictions suggest that colder weather may arrive nationwide by February 16th and stay with us until February the 20th. The Met Office have cautioned freezing weather may happen in the next week, with slight flurries of snow but stopped short of making any major predictions. But wintry hazards throughout February are still a possibility, with snow, ice and travel chaos potentially still to come. But according to WX charts, there is only one area that will miss out on the snow showers, with Aberdeen and the North East to dodge it. It will be a relief to Aberdonians who have suffered more than 2 weeks of having no sun and torrential rain almost every day. By Tuesday, February 17th, most of Scotland will be hit by a smattering of snow, with the likes of Glasgow, Edinburgh, Dundee and Inverness all hit, alongside the Highlands, although the far north will be spared.